Hi guys, welcome to Summit 2025. I'm so excited to be here. We've got 2 jam-packed days. We're starting off at the Anthem office for At Senior, where we'll get an opportunity to talk about the future of our music industry. Then we'll be heading over to the Gate for day 2, where there's more amazing workshops, loads of great conversations and panels, and just so much exciting stuff. So come along and I'll show you.
Felly'n prif amcanion ni eleni yw i gael gymaint o bobl ifanc a ni gallu yn yr un ystafell i ddysgu mwy am y diwydiant cerddoriaeth yma yng Nghymru, ond hefyd i nhw gwrdd â'i gilydd ac i wneud ffrindiau newydd ac i rannu syniadau.
You meet so many people, you get so much feedback where required. If you have an idea as to where you want to take your music or your art or your creative pursuits in general, then there's a lot of people to speak to and there's a lot of people that will give you that guidance.
I think that this event has been so helpful for me. I'm not really surrounded by advice in the sector that I've gone into, and I've been able to speak to so many people and get amazing contacts and have so much advice given to me, and I feel like it's really cleared my head up.
The fact that I'm getting to hear and not just hear but meet experienced minds in the music industry, I believe is going to help me with my experiences, it's going to help me with my ideas.
Felly dros y deuddydd yma, mae gyda ni pobl fel Amlen sydd yn rhan o Beacons Cymru, mae Youth Music, mae Hugh Stevens yn mynd i wneud sgwrs fori hefyd, mae gyda ni Ifan Pritchard o AWOL yn mynd i wneud A&R session. Os mae Celf dych chi mewn i, mae gyda ni sesiwn Celf gyda Penglog sef Steff Dafydd, mae Peak Talks hefyd lle dyn ni'n gwahodd gymaint o bobl really deallus a brwdfrydig dros y sîn cerddoriaeth yng Nghymru. Mae fe'n ddeuddydd gwych o bobl yn dod at ei gilydd i ddysgu mwy am y sîn yn ehangach.
Beacons asked me to come and help out today. It's been my first paid thing in the arts industry, which has been quite nice to not do something for free for once.
Going back in 2023, I applied for the YPM with Beacons. Again, they helped me progress my career. I started off as a DJ, getting very good advice from the team who helped me put on my first show. And especially with Summit, having the opportunity last year to run a workshop. Again, Summit has been a very important part of my career. Again, meeting other like-minded musicians and other organisations. It's been brilliant to find out that there are organisations out there in Wales to help musicians prosper.
Dwi'n edrych mlaen yn arw i gael cloi yn noswaith sgynna ni yn Clwb Iefor Bach yn yma. Felly mae fy mand i Workhouse yn chwarae yn ogystal â Malika Blue a Guilty Party. Ac yna ar y nos Ferchar wedyn fydden ni yn cloi Summit gyda set gan Sauce, Lemon Gel a Lily Maya.
It's essential to encourage the next generation because if we don't, we won't have one. And there will be no arts, there will be no music. It's an industry in danger, and if we don't encourage more people to come into it, it will be a dying industry.
Dwi'n gobeithio bod Summit yn cynnig syniadau creadigol i'r bobl ifanc yma sydd yn mynychu y gynhadledd i allu mynd nôl i'w cymunedau lleol nhw yng Nghymru a chreu hwb creadigol a chreu syniadau newydd. Nid yn unig i alluogi i'r sîn gyffredinol yng Nghymru ffynnu, ond hefyd drwy'r iaith Gymraeg hefyd gobeithio.
Being here today has reminded me that community music does still exist and it is worth fighting for.